Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today. It's been a little bit late, but the thing is, yeah, let's do it. So what? I think, SHIB is maybe in the mode of a consolidation. Can we actually see in the next coming few days SHIB trying to move up again? The comment that I want to say and the two findings that I have about SHIB, I'm going to keep it super simple. But before I tell you the two findings that I probably have for SHIB is that there is a room opened up to see SHIB basically moving up and coming down and consolidate a little bit until we don't see this thing, trying to push maybe again to the upside. Because I'm the most bullish guy in the room right now. And the worst case scenario is that if maybe SHIB can actually drop down to 1799. Do you think I mind SHIB coming to 1799? No, I don't really mind, because somewhere down along the road, as I said before, I'm gonna kill the zero. And when I say I'm gonna kill the zero, that means I'm gonna kill the zero. All right, so let's get into some two findings that I have. I don't want to stress this too much. Number one is the EMAs, of course. Now, the EMA, one really good thing that I saw yesterday is that SHIB probably made a nice, good, almost a bullish engulfing right on the 20 EMA, okay? And this is a very powerful statement, of course. We still have 2 hours more to close this third candle. And if you do close red, that's going to be concerning. But who knows, we can actually still pop back up again tomorrow. If we do pop up again right here, that means all you did is, you moved to the upside and you retested the 20 EMA, and all of a sudden you're going to be above the 10 and the 20 one more time, and then you may start to push up and go to the moon, one more time. The second observation that I had for SHIB, why did I forget the second observation? The second observation is the fib retracement. So if I showed you, at least from the last time when SHIB was moving to the upside, from the bottom there to the top, notice that SHIB respected the 0.382 on the fib retracement, and actually 0.382 is also considered a golden ratio. So this is really, really good to see. The worst you may see SHIB dropping down to is 0.618. Now here's my third comment about SHIB. If SHIB, let's say, ever makes it down to 0.618, the golden ratio, so I want to bring the EMA, which is actually going to be nearly the 55, of course, and 55 coming down to 55 and then going back up also means that your bull cross is maintained and it's not lost, and SHIB is still in an uptrend. Okay, so we might just see that one little bit of a push to the golden ratio, maybe get some entries one more time and then start another impulsive move to the upside. So what happens is that if you ever make it down to 0.618, this is absolutely healthy. Whenever you're in an uptrend, you are going to be looking for some correction, ideally to the 0.5 or the 0.618. But here's the tricky part. If you end up losing it and coming below and closing below it, that is the worst case scenario. So your last chance for an entry, if SHIB does ever come down, right now you're holding the 0.382, but if you lose it, 0.5 maybe here or maybe down to 0.618. I'm not very sure about this one, but ideally if you hold it here, you go back up. If you lose it, maybe this here or that there. Now all in all, these three here are good. All right, they're good, totally normal. That's what I want to say. Even though you may say that SHIB is really down, 40% and then 55, and then down here 62%, right? But still that is okay. But if you end up losing it, that's going to be the worst thing to happen. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.